Dear students, today's video is on speaking. On Mondays, I make videos on introduction questions. To see the questions that I did earlier, you can visit my channel, Excellence the Ideal Class, or follow me on my Facebook or Instagram page with the same name, that is Excellence the Ideal Class. Now, coming to today's video, the topic for today is climate. First question: do you prefer hot or cold weather? I prefer cold to hot weather because the heat during the hot weather in my part of the country becomes unbearable. And this kind of weather makes me feel little lazy and decreases my work productivity. You also can't go out, you have to stay inside most of the time. And it is during this season we face water and energy crisis as well. So I don't like this weather much. Second question: are you in the habit of checking weather update? Sometimes I do, like during the monsoon season, because monsoons are highly unpredictable. So I have to check the weather, and also during the winter season, because in winter season the weather changes suddenly in our state. Sometimes it's foggy, sometimes it rains, so I have to check weather so that I can plan my day-to-day activities in a proper way. Next question: what is the effect of climate change? The first is that there is a change in the duration of the seasons and also a shift in the seasons. Like winters in my state have become shorter and the duration of the summer season has increased. The areas that used to get heavy rainfall are sometimes left dry, while areas that used to be dry, they are facing flood-like situation. Secondly, this climate change has affected food production because there is a change in the duration of the seasons. And thirdly, there has been increase in the number of natural disasters and the intensity as well. Last but not the least, the glaciers are melting, which has increased the water level in the seas and which is affecting the sea life as well, because the salt content is decreasing, and also because the sea levels are rising, the threat of floods has increased. Last question: would you like to visit a city that has a climate different than yours? Surely I would like to, because it will be a new kind of an experience visiting a place that has climate different than mine. And also the food people eat, the clothes people wear, and also the way they carry out their routine activities, it all depends on climate. So I'll get to experience something different. Dear students, IELTS speaking and writing exam preparation gives you a wonderful opportunity to develop your thinking and language to help you throughout. And in case you want to prepare well for your IELTS exam, you can join my class. I have given my contact number at the beginning. You can also subscribe my channel. And also when you are preparing for the speaking exam, in case you are taking help from somewhere, please don't cram the whole thing, because the examiner wants to listen to your original ideas and language. So please make changes, add your own thing. Secondly, be very natural in the speaking exam, the way you speak with people around you, because you are doing speaking with the examiner, but yes, it is a speaking in a little formal situation. Thirdly, the moment you hear the question, you read the cue card, start thinking about it. Create a picture in the mind. Think what you have heard, read, seen, or observed about it. Then ideas will start coming to your mind, because many a times this is the complaint of the students, they don't have ideas. But yes, you have to think little fast. Lastly, please don't try to overdo. Many students try to do this to impress the examiner, especially try to use difficult vocabulary. Sometimes they don't even know the meanings of those words and they are using that vocabulary out of context. Please don't try to do it. Be very natural in the speaking exam. I hope that you find today's video useful and informative. You have enough content for this topic, climate, both the ideas and the language. And in case you have any suggestions to make these videos better, or want answers on some specific cue cards, let me know. Thank you very much.